Loktak Lake, the largest freshwater lake in northeast India, is a world that floats and moves with the seasons. Its mirrored surface blurs the line between land, water and sky, inviting you to pause and listen. The air is thick with the scent of wet earth and the distant sounds of life. A paddle dipping, a bird calling, a community in harmony with its environment. My first journey was in a slender boat, gliding through open water and around the famous floating islands, Fumdis, like gardens adrift on silver. Each paddle stroke was a meditation, the lake absorbing the world's noise and leaving only stillness, full of life. Loktak is more than a destination. It's a sanctuary, home to people whose lives are deeply tied to the water. To understand Loktak is to see a way of being that's fluid, adaptable and connected to nature. The lake holds stories, traditions, and the soul of its people. Loktak's most remarkable feature is the Fumdis, floating islands of vegetation and soil, strong enough to support homes and entire communities. These islands drift with the wind, each a unique world. Fumdis form slowly as aquatic plants die and tangle with organic matter, trapping soil from the hills. Over decades, they become solid enough to host Cable Lamjau National Park, the world's only floating national park and home to the endangered sangai, the dancing deer. Fumdis are the foundation of life here, providing habitat for fish, birds and people. Living on a Fumdi means home is alive and ever-shifting. The people respect these islands, knowing their lives depend on the lake's rhythms, a relationship built on mutual dependence and quiet understanding. Around Loktak, culture and water are inseparable. The lake is revered as a nurturing mother, its stories and spirits woven into local folklore and passed down through generations. Festivals and ceremonies center on the lake, with decorated boats, offerings and songs expressing gratitude and hope for its continued bounty. Art and music here are inspired by the lake's beauty and moods. The Manipuri dance echoes the sway of Fumdis and the movement of fish. This deep cultural bond drives conservation. The people are Loktak's true guardians, living in harmony with the water. Preserving their traditions is as vital as protecting the lake itself. Life in Loktak's floating villages is a lesson in simplicity and ingenuity. The Phumshongs build lightweight bamboo huts, Phumshangs, directly on the Fumdis, adapting to the lake's gentle motion. Waterways are streets, and canoes are the family cars, used for fishing, visiting, and even taking children to floating schools. Fishing is the main livelihood, with unique, sustainable techniques like conical nets and athafums, circular enclosures made from Fumdis. The community is close-knit, sharing resources and helping each other. Children grow up learning from the lake, their education shaped by nature. Life is challenging, limited amenities, harsh weather, but the people's resilience and contentment shine through. They found home in a place many would find impossible. Loktak's beauty is under threat. Pollution from agriculture and urban runoff clouds the water and harms the ecosystem. The Ithai Barrage Dam has disrupted the lake's natural cycle, weakening the Fumdis. Conservation efforts are underway, regulating pollution, restoring native species and removing excess Fumdis. But the challenge is immense. Loktak is a treasure of beauty and culture, its future uncertain. To lose it would be to lose a unique way of life and a vital ecosystem. Preserving Loktak is a shared responsibility, ensuring future generations can experience the magic of this floating world.